Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y19 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all previously visited websites, so if you want to, you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you've got a lot of items on this list, I highly recommend to tap on Clear Browsing Data, because here we can remove everything automatically. We can remove, among others, browsing history, cached images and files, and also saved passwords or site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time. So after choosing, just tap on Clear Data, confirm it sometimes, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed the whole data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.